My friend is having a menstrual pains. Please, where is the administrator's office? Seek medical care early when you are sick. Acute abdomen is a life-threatening emergency. I saw OP Darling during the Aquaba night. The doctor raped a patient yesterday night while it was raining. The revision week is just at the corner. Yesterday, my mother went to the hospital to do a lab test. The doctor told the man that he has a strong immune system. I came to school last semester. Nursing is a nice profession. Teenage pregnancy can lead to school dropouts. My baby is suffering from abdominal pains. I have a God who never fails. Everybody, let's gather at the hall for an important announcement. Avoid having unprotected sexual intercourse. I saw the short man at church today. Meet me at my office after class. The twins are dark in color. Today is a very bright day. My mom went to see the doctor today. I have headache and abdominal pains. My mother is a teacher. My father always takes Pito, but the doctor advised him that it is not good for his health. I will be going to visit my grandmother at the village near Tona. My uncle is addicted to alcohol. The deaf woman has given birth to twins. Dr. Eric is a specialist in pediatrics at Holy Family Hospital. Thank you.